Hi guys, so we're back with another GameMaker tutorial, and today we're gonna start a fighting game. We're gonna use this fighting game to showcase how to do a state machine. The way I'm gonna be implementing it is not the only way you can do it, but it's just one way. And we're gonna be also doing some doing again some basic stuff about movement and sprites and positioning, and maybe a little bit of AI in the end to have a simple opponent to fight against. So let's get on with it. So we got the new one. It's going to be in the GameMaker language, and we're going to put it in where I put my projects. CD 2020. We have one fight. Yep. I think, yeah. I think it should be here. Oh, okay. So remove these. Simply call it fighting. So yep. So let's start. So what are we gonna need? So we're gonna be we're gonna be using here a background from let me try to show this to you here. So we're going to be using this background, which is from King of Fighters 13, great game, and I believe probably this one, which is basically the character, a big sprite with poses for Terry Bogard, from King of Fighters 13. Okay, so let's get on with it. So first in the sprites, let's create the background. Sphere background and import. We're gonna import the image. So this is directly this image. And instead we're gonna be using this one. It is a big image, and we're gonna that's good. We're gonna redo the room. We're gonna set the room as big as the background. So it's gonna be a sprite, this one, and we want this to be as big as the background. So how big is the background? This is 2560, so 2560, 820. So the room is gonna be 820. Good. So this is big, but the thing is we're not gonna be able to show the whole room in one window. So instead what we're gonna need is to use viewports. So we're gonna enable viewports. We're gonna get the first one, a viewport, and then we're gonna have, I don't know, how about 576. So this is 16 by 9, and I think it's yeah, it's okay. And the position, it's gonna be 576, and the position, I don't know, we could have it at the center. But we're gonna probably change that so it follows our character. So yeah, we're gonna probably change that so that it follows our character, and that's it. So we just run it. We will see at least a portion of the background, which is good. That's what we were looking for. Now let's start now with a character. Okay, we're gonna create a sprite and we're gonna call this PR Terry idle. It's gonna be the idle pose for Terry Bogard. Edit image, import strip image. We're gonna see what can we do with this. So here, this is big, okay? So I believe the idle should be here. Something like 1, 2, but I don't know what is the difference between this one and this one, or this one. To be honest, they look pretty much the same, almost the same to me. I think this 5. I'm gonna use this 5. So we can make something bigger, like 24. Yes, that sounds about right. So that's gonna be 5. Let's put 190, 180. Almost, but no. So I think this looks okay. This one should go at the end, and if we play, so this one doesn't look like it goes here. And this one looks more like it goes here, so. And we probably want it back and forth. So we want to, so we're going to duplicate this. We want to duplicate this. We want to duplicate this. And we want maybe to duplicate this. I don't know. Probably not the last one. So I'm not sure if we. This one seems. How about we move this one? So only 3. Yeah, this looks good. Great, let's go with this one. So, yep, this is gonna be the idle pose. So create an object, obj theory, for instance, and we select the sprite, this one, and now we place him in the room. Yes, right, we need to place him in the instances. Oh, by the way, we probably want Terry to have, I don't know, so probably around here. Yeah. This. Bottom center. 5. Something around that. Yeah. So. Yeah, we want him around here. And yep, let's see. And now let's tell these viewport to follow Terry. So let's see what happens. Not. Oh, by the way, let's change here so the speed is 10, for instance. And somehow it is not following him enough. So maybe that's a problem. Maybe we want to have a bigger border. Yeah, that's better. One of the things that we may do later is to make these viewport bigger or smaller if we have two players, to make sure that we can fit both of them. But at the moment we can take as it is. So yeah, in horizontal, let's put yeah, I think I like it. That is good. Okay, so we have the idle. Let's create the forward and backward movement, because yeah, we're gonna need those sprites to move our character left and right. So again, we edit image, import images, Terry Bogart, and any, oops, no, not the import image, import the strip image. And well, let's see what we find. Let's make this bigger. Yeah. So I don't know if I this is he moving? Where is he moving? I don't see. It's more like jumping. It's more like jumping. And this is like going backwards, right? Like these three are like going backwards. I don't see a proper walk. I do understand that this part here, this whole thing where you start here, so you start here can I jump? Jump forward? That's not very easy to read, is it? This is blocking down. This is obviously charging. This is, I don't know what this is honestly. This is the jump. A basic punch, jump in, another punch, jump in, kicks. Yeah, I don't know, I don't see. This is being hit, some combos, some special moves, dying, being hit. This, I don't know what this is. Well, I don't know. So okay, we are gonna have to go with what I saw up there. So we're gonna have to go with something like this. So something like this. So we're gonna go with something like this. I think we need, let's get these 5. Let's see what we can do with them. So they have a different size. Well, that is going to be annoying, particularly because they are bigger. So 256, and this is going to be annoying. Yeah, so let's try to get this. So let's see, we can move this a little bit more there. Doesn't, so this one looks okay for these two, but even we could use this one too. So, but we're gonna use these two. So let's make only 3. We will clean this part. So let's get these 3. And we move things a little bit. We erase this part here. This one is okay. And this one, well, we want to erase there. So definitely, I mean, this is down, so we want to move this a little bit up. So it is like the rest. It should be the first one, probably. And this is the second one. I don't think it is. Let's go back to these. So to go at 10. And let's go back to the image. Actually, yeah, fine. Save. Let's save. And we in order to create the second part, we need to add some sprites here. So we're gonna do sphere 30 forward 2, because I don't know how to add sprites from a sprite sheet with the current with GameMaker 3 point whatever, GameMaker 2, and that is quite annoying because I'd like to add sprites from a sheet easily, but it's not, doesn't look too easy. We're gonna get now these two, so we're gonna be getting only two. They're gonna be I don't know if they're gonna be smaller. Maybe you just need to move them so that this one is here. Yeah, it looks like it needs to be bigger, and this needs to go back. So we got these, and we got this. Okay, now we erase again. This. Get rid of all these, and we move this one here. Yeah. So okay. Then we get these two, Control C, come here, edit image, Control V, paste, yeah. So, so it looks like this one should be the second one, this should be the third one. Maybe this one here. Yeah. Put this one here. Or maybe we could even add more. By the way, when we have already use this, so we can delete them. Get this one here and get this one here. Let's see. No, how about here? Doesn't look like it. Maybe we could add maybe so let's see. Probably should have looked for this before starting here, but anyway. So here. Maybe this one, we can use this one too as a landing one. These three definitely, we could use these three. Particularly the two in the middle. So we add a new one. Create a sprite. This is just a custom sprite that we're going to be using again to import strip images that we cannot do there. Turn it over. Let's try to get let's try. So Okay, like this. And let's get these two. So okay, and then we'll get the last one. Okay, clean this one a little bit. And clean this one also. Okay, so okay, Control C, forward, image, Control V. I don't know where they are. No, I didn't paste them. Paste them. So I stay. So yeah. So something like this, and that one is like. Could be the first one. This one should go down. This is probably for landing, so. Okay. So it looks like it's good, but then we need like that's this landing here. And okay, these two we don't need. And let's add maybe another one, I don't know. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know. Probably we can use this one. I think this is clear for going backwards. This is clear. And maybe this one here. Let's use this one. And let's get on with it. Ctrl-C. We go to forward, paste. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks good. I'm definitely missing one frame there. Yeah, let's add the missing frame too. Which should be this one, I think. Erase. Move this a little bit up. And Ctrl-C. Let's see. Let's put this one here. Let's see how it looks. This one doesn't fit here, so yeah, it looks good, and I don't need this one. So yeah, looks good. So yeah, I can get rid of the sprite 3 because we're not using it anymore. Now carry forward, and we're gonna have to carry backwards too. This is annoying. This is actually bad. Anyway, yep, this is always gonna be. And so yeah, and we're gonna have to go here and well, set it in the bottom center, so it's 84. And this is gonna be, for instance, yeah, 34. Let's put 34. Okay. This is different size. Okay. This is 160 to 56, and this is 124. So let's make it. It's all right as long as they go the common center. It should be all right. It should be okay. Let's do the going backwards, and we'll add the movement, and we'll stop for the day, and we'll go on in the next video. So we create another sprite we call SPR Terry back. Should go more like move forward and move back. Okay, so again we're gonna be editing the image, import strip image. Again, and we're gonna get here these 5 images, although these here two probably are make a lot of sense. So it's like here, then here. Let's see. Well, let's see what we can do. So we want a bunch of images. Include these. We want how many can we get? I don't know. Maybe we can get only 2 because that's the way it is. We need to make them bigger. 670. Let's get these 2 for starters. Yeah. So clean here. Move it. This is the first one, and this is something that is going to be there. So when we go back, by the way, we put it to 10. It's like the idle, and this, well, 10. So this one is done. This one is done. So backward, create a new sprite. Add image, import strip image, and we're gonna get more frames for the animation. Let's try to get a bunch of frames here. But we don't need to get less. So basically get these 2. Let's clean them and move them. So now clean, move, clean, move, copy, paste. Oh, but they are pasted now. When we paste, okay, we wanted to have this size. This size is 172. So when we are doing here, image 172. No scale, resize canvas. 172. Apply. Yep. And these 2 copy and put them here. Something like this. And there's more like this, like one fallen here. We're missing like 1 or 2 frames here. Yeah, I'm getting back. So let's get more frames. Image, import, strip image, and here. Definitely want this one. We only want one. 74. Get it, yeah. Clean. Copy. Paste. No, actually it looks more like a landing. Let's see. We're missing again a few more sprites. So we're gonna get two. I guess these two are needed, and yeah, I think that's okay. Clean. Move. Control C. Paste. So this looks right. This doesn't look right. Maybe here? How about here? I don't know if this one fits well. Let's leave it here. Maybe here. So let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now. This. Yeah, I think I'm missing one here, and this one I don't think we need it. But anyway, let's get that one. Image, import the strip image. Definitely need this one. Probably let's try to get these 3. Yeah, let's get these 2. Maybe. This is a little bit smaller. This is annoying, honestly. Clean. Yeah. Copy. Control C. Paste. let's see. Yeah, I think this is gonna be it. This is gonna move a little bit up, a little bit up. Or maybe they are all gonna go a little bit down. Yeah, it looks better. That looks good. Yeah. Well, we're gonna leave it like this for now. So yeah, good. So we have the moving forward and moving backward. So the thing is, we need to change. So we need to make sure that our object, our sprite, can move forward and backwards. So we are gonna add a step, and we're gonna add some movement. If keyword check BK left, then we're gonna do so bar movement is 0. If it's left, we're gonna say movement is -2, or we could even add a variable definition called speed. So how is it? Yeah, no, like move speed is gonna be like, for instance, 2, and this is gonna be move speed. Okay. Actually, this is actually gonna be the horizontal movement, so we might as well set the horizontal movement. Set h speed to 0, h speed to -r, as if keyboard check bk right, h speed is move speed. And now if h speed is bigger than 0, then we set the and the sprite index, and sprite index is different from SPR to remove back. Then sprite index is equal to SPR to remove back. So we change the sprite and reset it. So the animation, reset the animation. So image index is 0, else if h speed is lower than 0 and sprite index is different from SPR to remove forward, then do the same thing, but with forward. And else we want is to idle. If h speed is 0 and sprite index is different from SPR to remove to idle, then set the idle. So same thing here. There we go. This is basically okay. We're also not going to let you go so further from certain parts or certain positions in the room. So we can add a an event step at the end step. We're gonna say avoid the player going out of the room. So basically, if X is below, say, room margin could be like 128, for instance. X is 128, H speed is 0. Let's leave the H speed the same. So actually what we want to do is basically a clamp. So X is clamp X 128, room width minus 128. That's it. So let's see. Well, it goes very slow, so we didn't put the put this here. There we go. So, oh, sorry, we want to keep it back. We're also gonna tell Terry to go a lot faster, like 5. Maybe we could have him move faster, like literally 50% faster in the animation, so it looks better, maybe. Yep. Good. So we have our character moving, great. But the problem is, well, this in the idle animation, I don't like it this fast. Maybe we can keep the idle animation at, sorry, this one. I don't know, 12 maybe. Let's see what happens if we put it to 12. I think it's even better with 10. It makes sense. So probably I'm missing some frames there. So anyway, yeah, it makes sense. It looks good. Anyway, so the thing is, we are just setting the animation, the animation when with the speed. But that's not what we're going to do with this game, because if you start thinking about it, when you add punches and kicks and jumps and crouches and all that stuff, it's gonna get really hard to do. So instead, what we're gonna be doing is we are going to change the system that controls the player to a state machine. We're gonna create a state machine, and the state machine is gonna determine what's the movement speed, what's the animation, etc. Okay, so when you're kicking, you're not gonna be moving, but then when you're idle, you cannot move either. But then if you press left and you change the state, and then you start moving left or whatever. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing, but that's gonna be in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.